If you're looking for something that you can earn online, then don't skip this video. Hello everyone, once again this is Agnes, and this video is for everyone who wants to earn money online, for moms, for students, and for those who are unemployed. Guys, I'd like to introduce to you Shopify, and with Shopify, you will be able to start your own business without spending a lot of money for rental fees, for inventories, or for the product that you sell. Because with Shopify, you get to start a business with zero capital for 14 days, and now it's 90-day free. Yes, Shopify is offering a free trial to try their platform, but even after your free trial has expired, you only have to spend a minimal amount to start selling with them. For example, you only need to pay $13 per month for their basic Shopify plan, and that is really very affordable considering that you would get the benefit of getting inventories without having to buy them. You also get to use some tools and strategies they offer to make your store earn more and become successful. So if you're ready, let's get started. Okay, so all you need to do is just go to shopify.com.ph and then click on that, and then click on start free trial, and then your email address, just type in that. Okay, just for instance, this one, my email address, and then you put your password and then your store name. So say for instance, all right, and then you click create your store. And then we will wait for a little while to initialize our store, and then in a few seconds it will direct you to this page, and it will ask you to tell a little about yourself. Okay, so like this one, are you already selling? So you just choose your answer, this one. So for me, I'm just playing around. What is your current revenue? So let me choose 0. Which industry will be operating? I'd like to start with electronics. So are you setting up a store for a client? So if you are a VA right now and you're setting a Shopify store for your client, then click yes. But if not, you just can go ahead and skip that one and then click next. And then you put your name, type in your name, your last name, your address, okay, and then your apartment, say for instance, and then your city, right? Then your postal code, your country, your contact number. And if you have a personal website, you can also add that one here, but don't worry if you don't have one yet. You just can skip that one, and then you click enter my store. All right, so let's just wait for a moment. And then there you go, you're already directed to this dashboard. Okay, so look at that, guys. Your trial just started. So remember, this is a 14-day trial. Okay, so I encourage you to set up your store as quickly as possible so that it will go live immediately and you can start earning from Shopify. Okay, so how do we start? First, you have your home, orders, products, customers, analytics, marketing, discounts, apps. You also have your online store and settings. So here, guys, this is your home page. Okay, this is where you see all your orders. This is where you manage your orders, guys, and the jobs that are here. Then the abandoned checkouts. Okay, then for products, this is where you see all your products. You can add your products and all that stuff. And then your customers. Okay, when a customer places an order, you'll find their details and purchase history here. Okay, and this is your analytics. This is your dashboards. So you would say you will be able to see your total sales, your online store sessions, and all that stuff. Then you have your reports, your live view. Okay, this really will help you make great decision making on how to make your store successful. Now for the marketing, so this is your marketing overview. Okay, automate marketing to grow your business. So marketing automation show ads and send messages to your customers based on their behavior. Once you set up an automation, it will run for as long as you want. Okay, so another is we have your discounts. If you are offering discounts or you are using discount codes, okay, you can also see it here. So you can actually create your discount code here. And then your apps. So these are amazing apps that will help your store grow and be successful. So later on, guys, I will show you what are those apps that really would make your store successful. And now we have your online store. This is where you set up the face of your store, your themes, okay, and all these things right here. And now your settings, okay. So I will discuss these one by one, guys, but in this video I will just focus on online store settings, apps, and how to add products to your store. Okay, so let's get started now. So first you go to online store. So let us first set up the face of your store, guys. Okay, and here we will look for the perfect theme for your store. Actually, Shopify has free themes and paid themes. Okay, so if you are just starting and you don't want to shell out money, guys, you can opt to use free themes. Okay, so let's try this one, explore free themes. And then you will see here a lot of themes that you can use to your store. Okay, so for now we will try this one, debut. Okay, but I also recommend minimal and Brooklyn. So those are also good. They are also good themes. So for now, for this presentation, let's try debut. So you have here the features of this theme. It has slideshow, predictive search, customer testimonials, promotional banner, and it has also two styles, which are default and light. So we will use default. And then if you're good with this, you just simply add to theme library. Okay, and then once added, guys, we'll just wait for this to be added. And then once added, you can customize that one. Okay, so let's try and wait for that. And it says just added. So let's customize it now. So maybe I would place my face right here. Okay, so all right now, so this is now your debut theme. Okay, so how to customize this one? So let's start with the header. Okay, this is your header. Okay, so by the way, guys, you have two things to use in order to customize this theme. So we have sections and theme settings, but for now we will go first with the section. So the sections of this theme has a header, the body, and the footer. So let's first go to header. Okay, actually the header, guys, you can put your logo right here. Okay, if you want. So if you want, or if you already have your logo, just click select, okay, and go to your library and then add that one. Or you can go here. Okay, you can select free images right here that you can use for your logo. But if you don't want that one, you can also go to Canva and create your own design of your logo. So say for instance right here, okay, just click that one and then you can create your design. and then click logo. Okay, but I will not touch this one in this video. Okay, we will have a separate video on this. So actually with Canva, guys, you can create brochures, flyers, logos, and all that. Okay, so if you don't have any logo yet, you can create your design right here, or have it created or have it designed with the people in Fiverr. Okay, now let's go back. Let's close this one. So if you're done with your logo, let's go to the announcement bar. So if you want to add an announcement bar, guys, you can just click on this and it will show you like this. So announce something here. So say for instance, you want to announce to your customers that you are giving 70% off on all items from April 1 to 30, 2020. Okay, so let's look at that. So it says 70% off on all items from April 1 to 30, and then you can change the bars column. You can change that to red or to any color that you want. Okay, so for instance that one, and then you click on save. But for this presentation, I will not put an announcement bar, and I'd like to delete this one, and then you click on save. Every time you make any changes to your work, guys, you click on save, okay, so that it will be updated. And then we're done with the header. Okay, so I'm good with this store name, and then this one I'm good with that. So I'd like to customize this one. So how do we do that? So you go back and then you click on this image with text overlay. Okay, so you can select your image right here. From your computer, you can upload an image, or if you want, you can also look for the images right here. But some people would go to Google and use it use it here. So let's go to Google and let's find some good pictures for your store. Okay, say for instance electronics. You go to images. All right, and then guys, if you want to use the images from Google, you click on tools and then usage rights, and then you click on labeled for reuse. Okay, so that we will not have a problem with copyright. So let's choose from here. Let me choose good picture. Okay, let me choose this one. Okay, and we will just save this image. Just a moment, then you say Shopify. There you go, and then save. All right, so let's go back to your store and then click select, upload an image. So from downloads, we'll upload this one. And there you go. And then you just select that one and then click on save. See, it's just easy to upload and put an image right here. Okay, so you can, choose a better image for your store, guys. Okay, this is just for the presentation purposes. And then if you don't want this text right here, you can edit that one. So you go to here, image with overlay, delete that one, and see what happens. See? And then this one, the text right here, can just easily delete that one. Okay na. So see, you already have a picture right here. All right, there you go. Now guys, if you don't want this section, guys, you can just easily click this one, remove section. So let me show you. See, it's already removed. All right, but if you want to put that if you want to put that section again, so you can just easily add a section, and then you add the image with overlay. Then you click add. All right, see, it's already added. Now as you notice, it is already placed here, not on the top, so you can actually move that one to the top, guys. So let me show you. Say for instance this one, text with overlay. So you can put that one here. See, it's back to the top already. So that's just how you do it, guys. So if you don't want any section, again, you can remove a section. But if you want to add a section, then you just click the add section. So, well, let's try to edit this one. Okay, and then we will remove the text, the heading. Okay. Okay, let's remove that heading and this text right here. So we're done with that. So how about this one? I don't like this section, so let me just save my work. So let me go back to sections, and I'd like to delete this one. Let me remove that one. Okay, so it's already removed, and this one too. Okay, I don't want that. So I'd like to retain this one. And then for this one, I don't like that. Testimonials, let's remove that one. I want to make this theme to be simple as it can. Gallery, remove that one. Then this one. Okay, I want to remove that one. Okay. And we're good. Okay, so this is where our products will be shown. So let me just change this heading. I'd like to put our products. All right, there you go. It's already edited. And then guys, if look at that, we have 4 products each row, and we have 2 rows right here. You can change that one. Say for instance you want to like put 3 products per row, so you just drag this one. So if you also want to have more rows, like you want to have 3 rows like that, so see, it's already added. But for now, let me just put 4 products per row, and then let me just have 2 rows. And now we're done. So later on, we will add products right here, guys. All right, now let's go to footer. Okay, so let's just save this one first before going to the footer. Okay, let's go back and then go to footer. See here, you have quick links, then you have the newsletter right here. So I like this one already, guys. I want to retain this one because I want my customers to put their email addresses for my future email marketing. So for my next video, guys, we will tackle about email marketing. Okay, so for this one, I'm good with the footer, but actually you can actually customize this one. Say for instance you want to show payment methods. Okay, you can do that one. Say for instance here, PayPal. Okay, it's already here. So if you don't want to show that, then it's gone. So let us put a payment method right here. So by the way, guys, PayPal is there already because once you set up a Shopify store, Shopify would automatically create or set up your PayPal as your payment method here. Okay, so that's why it's here. Now, actually, later on, we will add some other payment methods that you can put right here, and of which your customers can use. And then you can choose the background, guys, the color of your background. So you can use red, blue, or whichever you want. Okay, newsletter, you can put blue. Okay, I think this one is nice. Okay, but for now, okay, let me just choose blue. Okay, and the text, okay, you can also change the text's color if you want. So you can put red or black. Okay, so I would go for black. Black is better for me. So that's it, guys. So newsletter, yeah, if you want your customer to subscribe to your newsletter, you can put this item right here. And what's good about this one is that your customer will be able to put their email addresses that you can use for email marketing. All right, so we're good. I'm good with that, guys. So this is already my theme. So look at that. All right, so I think I have a not so good picture. Okay, but for presentation purposes, we'll just use that one. Okay, let's go back to another category here. So we go to theme settings. So you can change the color of your headings and links, guys, if you want the body text, the sale price. Okay, you can just change all those colors. Okay, and then the pages can change that color, guys. All right, now if you want to change the fonts or the font size of your texts, you can do that here. Okay, and then for the search, okay, you can enable product suggestions. You can click on that. Then for the social media, guys, this is really very interesting also. Social sharing image. So if you want to show your social media images right here or icons right here, that your customer will easily click on that and be directed to that certain social media, guys. This is how you do it. Okay, so you just select an image. Okay, Facebook. Say we have a Facebook right here. Just a moment. So you can actually select an image right now, but let me just go right here. Okay, social sharing options, share on Facebook, tweet on Twitter. Okay, actually this is how you're going to do it. Say for instance, it's going to, you want your Twitter account. Let me just you just log into your Twitter and then copy the URL and put it right there. See, for instance, this one. So again, guys, if you want to put those social accounts to your Shopify store, go to your social media accounts, copy the URL like this one. Okay, and let me just check. Okay, let me just remove my camera a little bit. Okay, so there you see here my Twitter icon right here. Okay, so if your customer will click on that, it will directly it will direct them to your Twitter account. Okay, so let's add your Facebook account. Say for instance this one. Let me open my Facebook account. Just go to your profile and then copy the URL, and then you put it right here. And look what happens. Okay, so let's add some more app. Okay, I wanna also add my YouTube channel here. But of course, guys, if you put your social media account, make sure that it is related to your product or to your store. Okay, so this is just for presentation purposes, guys. So let me just put my YouTube URL right here, and then there you go. All right, so I hope you, and then I hope you catch that one up, and then you just click on save. So once saved, guys, let's go to another section. This is Favicon, then add to cart notification. Okay, just click that one so that you will get notified for your checkout. You can change your background image, okay, if you want your logo image and all that, but I'm fine with my checkout settings. So let's go back. So we're done already with our theme, guys. Okay, but if you have a lot of things that you would like to modify, you can do that, guys. Okay, but for now, that's all for me for this presentation, and then let's go to another area. So if you have a blog post, guys, you can add and write a blog post right here. What it will do is that it will also add more traffic to your store. Okay, now if you want to add some pages, guys, like you want to add about us pages, okay, you can write clear page titles and descriptions to improve your search engine optimization and help customers find your website. So you can maybe, let's try to add about us page. Okay, this is if your customer would look for your store online, so they would say like what is pretty trendy page, so they would click on about us, and they will be able to read what is your store about. So this store, we sell electronics that you can use in your office or work, office or at home. Okay, so you can actually make a better description right here, guys. This is just for demonstration purposes, and my tip, guys, is that you put a lot of keywords right here so that it can easily be seen by your or searched by your customers online. Now once done, guys, okay, you can see it here. This is the preview of this is the search engine listing preview, and then your customer would be able to see about us, and then your URL right here, and then your description. Okay, so you can make a better title of your page, and then a better description for that. So you just click on save, and then you go to navigation. Okay, you can add menu. Okay, menus or link lists help your customers navigate around your online store. You can also create nested menus to display drop-down menus and group products or pages together. Okay, actually you can create this one, guys, if you want, but for now let me just skip that one. Okay, but if you want to add menu, guys, you just click on add. Okay, and then you can say contact us menu, contact us. Okay, and then you click on save. All right, now so once save, actually you can delete that one, and then once save, guys, we go to domains. Okay, Actually, Shopify, guys, has already a free domain which is myshopify.com. Now, if you want to buy a new domain, guys, you just click buy new domain, and then say for instance, you want to look for pretty trendy ph, okay, .com. Then you will see it here, okay. It will only cost you $14 to buy that domain. Okay, just click on buy if you want. But if you don't want to use Shopify for to buy a new domain, you can also go to GoDaddy to buy one. All right. Now another, but for now, guys, I will not buy a domain yet. Okay, I will just maximize the free. The free tools that Shopify is offering. Okay, I mean the free domain that Shopify is offering. So okay, so I'm good with pretty trendy ph myshopify.com. Now let's go to preference now. We're almost done with our settings, with our theme, guys. Now, this is really very important, guys. You add your title right here. So let me add my store's name, pretty trendy ph, okay. And then your home page, we sell electronics, for your office and blah blah, okay. Then after that, guys, okay, so guys, again, let me reiterate this one, that you put a lot of important keywords on your description page, okay. So actually this will go like this. So the title, meta description help define your store, how your store shows up on search engines. So for instance, your customer would go to Google, and then say for instance the store that we are looking is, say for instance, Safeguard, okay. Okay, so it will look like this. Your home page title would be like this, and your description would go like this, okay. So I really encourage you guys to put the most important keywords in your description. And now we're done, so let me just save on that. And then let's go to Google Analytics. Google Analytics enables you to track the visitors to your store and generates reports that will help you with your marketing. So how to set up this one? It's just so easy, guys. You go to Google and type Analytics. Okay. Click Google Analytics. Okay. Okay. And then you click on Start Measuring. So your account name, let me put my account right here, MBPH, and then just click all these, and then you go to next. So what do you want to measure? Your apps. So you just click on next, and then you go ahead and type in your website name. All right, just a moment. All right, there you go. And then you also type in your website URL, which you can get from your store. Just copy that one. So that is your free domain, myshopify.com. Right, just go ahead and copy that URL without HTTPS. And then let's select our industry category. And for my store, I would choose computers and electronics. So let's find that category right here. And then of course guys, for our reporting zone, so you change your country. So that would be Philippines, and then click create. Then another, you modify your country right here. So from US to Philippines. And then you can go ahead and accept all these terms. Okay. Another one right here. Click I accept. And there you go. A success. And after that, guys, you can also choose to check or uncheck these items right here. If you don't want to get bombarded by email communications, you just go ahead and uncheck. Leave this unchecked. And then click save. There you go. And we already have a code that we need to paste on to our Shopify account. Okay, there you go. Just highlight that one, then click Ctrl C, then paste it right here. So there you go, guys. You have your Google Analytics account. Don't forget to click save. Okay, so that's just how easy it is. All right. For Facebook Pixel, I will just make a separate video for this. All right. And there you go. We're done with the preferences. Now let's go to settings. For the settings, guys, let's focus on the general settings. Okay. You can edit this one. You can put your store details right here. Your store address. If you have legal name of your business, you can put that one here. And then your address, your phone number, and then your metric system, kilogram or gram, and then your store currency. What are you accepting, dollars or Philippine peso? For me, I use Philippine peso since I am in the Philippines. Now we're done. So let's go back to another settings. Okay, let's go to payment providers. Well, PayPal is already set up by Shopify. It's already set up for you. But if you notice that the PayPal account is not, the PayPal account that they set up is not your PayPal account, well, you can always edit that one. But like for this one, I already have edited it. So this is how it looks once edited. By the way, guys, the PayPal account that Shopify will automatically set up for you is they use the email address when you sign up for Shopify. Okay, but if that is not, again, if that is not your PayPal account, you can always edit that one here. Now, if you want other another provider, okay, you can always choose another provider right here, guys. Okay, say for instance, for credit card payments powered by PayTabs, you can just click that one and then activate credit card payments powered by PayTabs. All right. Now, next, we're done with the payment providers. So payment providers, these are the these are the payment options that you allow for your customers to pay. Okay. Now, another one is that under payment providers, guys, if you want to manually, or if you want to, oh, it's loading right now. Let's go back first. Okay. All right. As I've said earlier, accept payments through your store using providers like Shopify payments, third-party services, other payment methods. Okay. So next, aside from this, guys, we have alternative payment methods here. We also have manual payment methods. This is very popular in the Philippines. Say for instance, other payment methods, I already have done it here. So example, you want to accept Paymaya, GCash, Express, Padal, like Palawan Express, Iguana, and Louis. You can put all the details right here, and then you make your payment instructions like this one. Take a photo of your deposit slip, your transaction slip, and send it to this email address. Okay. So, but if you don't want manual payment methods, that's okay. Okay, you can just skip that one. Now this time payment capture, I choose automatically capture payment for orders. Now we're done with the payment providers. Oh, let's go to, let's edit this one, checkout. Now for checkout, guys, you can always customize your checkout. Okay, you may want to upload your store's logo, you change colors and fonts and more. And your customer's account, choose if you want to prompt your customer to create an account when they check out. Then for me, I choose accounts are optional, wherein customers will be able to check out with a customer account or as a guest. Now for customer contact, I choose customers can only check out using email. All right, and to receive shipping updates, I choose customers can choose to add a phone number or email to receive shipping updates after they complete their order. Okay, now for form options, I'd like to require my customer to put their first and last name, their company name. That would be optional for me. Now for the address line, I'd like to require them to put their address. This is for shipping, guys, for purposes of shipping. And then for shipping address phone number, I require the phone number, guys, for couriers, for easy and hassle-free deliveries. Your courier could always contact you. All right, if there are issues with your item or where to deliver it and something like that. So anyways, guys, we're done with this. Let's go to shipping. Before the shipping, guys, I have here two locations. Actually, there are different zones that you can use, okay, and you can manage the rates, okay. But for this one, guys, I already have set this one up, and I have two zones. I want to ship to the Philippines and to the United States, and I have created the rates here. Actually, I don't have a particular rate. I always do it free plus shipping or free shipping, but you can always edit this rate. Let's say for instance you say 10 or 1 to 10 kilos, okay, or for shipping, okay. Say for instance shipping rate, say for instance 30 pesos or 350 pesos for 1 kilogram, okay, and then you're done. So that's just how you edit it, guys. It's just so easy. All right, now next let's go to another item, and we have here, what else? Oh, taxes. Well, in the United States, there are a lot of, it has different taxes for every state. So you could always study that one, guys. But for now, for my shipping, I don't include taxes right there. Okay. Now for these items, guys, this is, you can always self-study this one, and this really very easy. So we will not focus on this one. Okay, you can have a self-study. Okay, you can study it on your own. And now we're done with the online store and then the setting. Now let's go to products. Let's add your first product on your Shopify online store. How to do it, okay? Well, this is really very easy, guys. First, you have to install your Oberlo app. Okay, this is drop shipping app. Okay, it will help you import products from AliExpress in just one click, or it will help you import product from this site, okay, from Oberlo itself in just one click. Also, it will help you fulfill orders with just one click, guys. So how to download this app? You go to apps, then you visit Shopify store, and then you type Oberlo drop shipping app. That's how easy it is. And then click on that, get, okay, that or add app, and then you install the app. All right, so for me, I have already installed this one. Okay, So just add app and then install. So since this is already installed, we will search for products that you might want to add to your store. So for Oberlo, guys, it has a lot of products, recommended products for you. But if you don't want to add products from Oberlo and you want AliExpress instead, just type AliExpress. Okay, if you don't have any account yet, you can sign up for one. So let's go to AliExpress. And then say, for instance, you want your store to have computer or office products. Say, for instance, this one, you want this one. All right. So this is only 68 cents to $1.38. Okay. Guys, by the way, if you are shipping to the United States, I recommend you to use e-packet. Okay. So if you want this one, guys, click this. By the way, before that, always look and review the seller trust level. But for this one, above average. So for me, this is a reliable seller. You can follow that one. Okay. Okay, I have to sign in first. All right. So you can follow that store. Now, so how to add this to your Shopify store? First, you click on this icon, the Oberlo icon. Okay. Click on that so that it will be imported from AliExpress to your Oberlo. Okay, let's refresh this one. Just a moment. And there you go. And click on this, adding product, and then you open import list. And that should be imported to Oberlo. Again, you import this item from AliExpress to Oberlo. Okay? Now what we are going to do here is to edit this product. Okay, this one. Okay, so let's edit this one, say fashion color. Then for me, I will delete this one, fountain pen. Okay, and for the collections, let's click home page and then let's select type. This product is a fountain pen. I will type fountain pen and create that one. Okay, and then for the tags, it's really very important that you create your tags for your customer. If they want to search your product, okay, you have tags right there so that they can easily find your product. I need pens. Okay, and then create pens. And there you have it. We're done with the product. Let's go to the description. I suggest that you make an enticing description, guys. Okay, but for now, I don't have something yet in my mind. But let's try the best fountain pen ever. Okay, you can always improve this one, but for the sake of this video, so we will type those words. Okay, the best fountain pen ever. And once you're done with the description, oh, by the way, if you can also try to look at the descriptions right here. They're available, but if none, okay, you can create your own. Oh, by the way, you can say product details, okay, and a short description right here. Now we're done with the description and go to variants. Well, it has a lot of variants. Okay, and the price is the same. Oh, not the same for this one. Black and blue ink. Okay, now this is the shipping cost. So since This is free shipping. Okay, so we're done. So the cost of this product is only 70.86. So we will mark up. We'll make a markup and we'll set a new value. Say for instance, you want it to be like 140 pesos, 140 pesos. Oh, by the way, here, change all prices, and then we will set a new value, 140 pesos, and then you click apply. But you can also manually edit the price, guys. So for instance, this one, it has a different price. Say you want it to be like 80 pesos, and this one too, put 80 pesos. All right, there you go. Now you have a profit of 69, 69, and 45, 104. Really. And 44. All right, now. So this time, guys, if you want to your customers to look at your product like it is on sale, well, you can put a price right here. Say for instance, we will say 170 pesos. Okay, let's just set a new value, 170 pesos, and then apply. And then for this one, since it has a lower price, say this one is the original price of this product is at 110 pesos. This is just an example, okay? You can always, for me, guys, this is a tip. Always think of a reasonable price, okay? Not too high and not too low. So that's it. Once done, you go to images. You can select all the available images for this product. Okay. Select that one. Okay. Then let's add some more if you want. And you can always click it, just a few. Okay. And that one. All right, so we're done already, guys, and we will import this to store. So again, you import this product from AliExpress to Oberlo, and then Oberlo to Shopify. And now let's go and edit this product on Shopify. Now this is how you're going to edit your product from Shopify. You have here the title, fashion, color, gradient, fountain pen. Okay, and this is the description. But in the description, guys, I'd like to add a trust seal. Okay, trust seal Shopify. Okay, you click on images and click on this one, and then you save, and then this will be uploaded to your computer. I already uploaded this one, so let's go to your Shopify. And then we will add that one. You say insert image. That's how easy it is. And then you, of course, try to resize this one. This is too large. Okay. And then let's edit this one. Oh, sorry. All right, now, so we're done with this. Okay. And then we're done already. We're done with the prices already. Now, we can always edit the website SEO, guys. Website SEO. Here, this is the search engine listing preview. This is how your customer will find your product. Okay, on the search engines, fashion, color, gradient, fountain pen. Let's make it a little bit enticing. We say the best fashion, color, gradient, fountain pen are the most affordable. So you can always use words best, affordable, great, great deals and like that. Now for the description, guys, you put the useful keywords right here. Okay. And then we're done. Now we're ready to click save. Now once done, okay, you can already view this product to your store. Actually, I have added a lot of products already. And for this product, let's try to view it. And that's how it looks like. The title, your price, your original price, and this is on sale. It has different varieties. Okay, 140 for the black ink. It is 80 pesos. Okay, so that is your product, guys. If you want to add more, just follow the things that I have just told you guys. Now we're done with the product, guys. Let's go to another item. Okay, so let's just close this tab so that you will not get confused. So that's just how you add your product, guys. Now we're done already. Oh, by the way, guys, just quick review, okay? If you want to explore these items right here, so that's how it is. Your orders, if you have orders already, this is where you'll process and track them, okay? The drops, the abandoned checkouts, your products, of course, your customers. Just click on this, okay? These are your customers. Marketing overview, so you can always study this one, guys. Now we are done with the online store settings, products. Now let's go to apps. What are the useful apps that you're going to install to your store? Actually, by the way, guys, first and foremost, apps are really important in your shop for your Shopify store, because this will help in the process, and of course it will help you increase your sales. All right, so earlier we have installed Oberlo. Then aside from Oberlo, guys, let's go to visit the Shopify app store. Okay, I suggest that you also download Upsell apps. Okay, Upsell apps. Actually, there are a lot of apps at Shopify store, Shopify app store. We have available free and paid apps. So if you want to invest in paid apps, that would be great. Okay, that would be great. Now, yes, going back to the Upsell apps, you have a lot of Upsell apps right here. What is Upsell app? Upsell app, if you notice other stores, that it has frequently bought together or frequently bought this item, and that is because of this app. Okay, so let's try. Actually, I already have say for instance, for the Upsell app, I recommend personal recommendations. Okay, actually I have already downloaded that one. Let's try another app. Let's try another app. Let's say for this one, frequently bought together. Okay. Okay. All right, now. Well, for this Upsell app, here, as you can see it, as smart recommendations are displayed as product bundles on your product page, customers are likely to buy more items, boosting revenue. So this will really help increase your sales, guys. Let me show you how it looks like. Okay, so see, I know you have seen this to various online stores. So aside from the item that they want to buy, this app would recommend more items that they might want to buy. All right, so that's it. Now, How to add this one? You just click get app or add app and then install app. That's just how easy it is. Now, if you want free app, go. Then if you want those paid app, go. It's up to you. Now let's go back. Another app that I recommend is the what do you call this? Sale pop-up. Sale pop-up. Have you noticed? Have you noticed stores like it has um customers? It would say customers from Canada, or a customer from Canada bought this item 2 hours ago, or say Michael J from Australia bought Adidas shoes 2 weeks ago, or 3 hours ago, 4 hours ago, and that's it. Okay, so that is sales pop-up. It has free and paid app right here. Okay, so let me show you what is sales pop-up and how it looks like. Oh, by the way, it will quickly increase conversions. Whether you're an established brand or just getting started, sales pop-up will make your store look busy and get you orders. Okay, create trust and urgency for your products. Let visitors know your product is in demand to build FOMO and shift them into customers. Oh, I forgot the meaning of FOMO. It is in my mind, but I don't know why I cannot uh, say it here. Oh, fear of missing out. Yeah, fear of missing out and shift them into customers. Okay, this is how it looks like. See, purchase Air Max, Bond Series, PS30. All right, and that's it. Matthew in Forest Park, purchase blah blah. Christine, blah blah, purchase blah blah. All right, that's it. Now we're done. So that's just how you get an app and install it to your Shopify store. Okay. Now there are a lot of apps. You just explore the Shopify app store, guys. You will discover a lot of apps that will help your store increase the sales, as well as will help your store be successful. All right. Now let's go back to your store now. So we're done with the products and the apps. Wow, congratulations. You're way to go. Now, for your online store to be seen by your customers, let's make it live. How do we do that? Actually, I already have, as I've said, I've already have created my store right here, and in my store is already live. But don't worry, guys, it's just so easy. You will see here like disable password. Just click disable password, and it will prompt you to another step. But really, it's very easy. Just follow it, okay? And you're good to go. Your store is online. Your customer can visit your store and make a purchase, and you will have your millions. Okay, your potential millions, and that is not impossible at Shopify.com. All right, guys. So that's it. Congratulations to you.